Wow.
Shit.
What do you think, huh?
Well, I like it so far.
Yeah. What a view, huh? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to climb Ferrata Della Memoria, which is a very interesting ferrata. It has a few tunnels along the way and is going to be a bit vertical on this part, which also has a difficulty part. So that's gonna be pretty sketchy. Let's see. Anyways, we're gonna take a right here and follow this trail. Whoa. And also the tunnel is really small. Do you see it? Yeah, okay, you can walk. Yep. Yeah, wow. It's gonna be exposed. Wow. Whew. Do you think the rock is slippery here, or is it just me?
No, it is slippery.
Yeah? Okay. It's like really slippery.
Come on, look.
Yeah, it's same for me.
Like
Same
ice.
for me. It's like ice, yeah. Whoa.
Shit.
Easy, okay? What do you think, huh?
Well, I like it so far. But I don't like those because they are so slippery. Great job. And oh my god, this is the deep part.
You do it.
Yes, but this is the deep part. Oh shit. Oh my god. Shit. Man, I don't like it. Very good.
Oh, fuck. This is gonna be really hard.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. Don't look down. Don't you dare to jump. Okay, you're good. You're good to go. Come on, come on.
Oh my god. Nice. Nice. Okay, great. Don't you want to take a short break? I'm really surprised you managed all of this.
Hold on.
Guys, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Adrian_official, and subscribe. And leave a comment and like. It's gonna help us a lot. Good job. This is the last part, maybe, okay? Last part.
Please don't talk.
Huh?
Shh. Fuck you. Scared the hell out of me. Shit.
There was a landslide in 1963, so about a part of a mountain fell off in a lake right above this place in that direction, and it made a huge wave. It came down on all of the people around this town, and it killed about 2,000 people, which is crazy. Yeah. What a view, huh? I think Micha needs to make the choosing from now on, because I always take this stuff. Wow. Oh fuck. I just hate this. I think I'm gonna cry, guys. I think I'm gonna cry. And my heart is gonna explode. And my pants too. Man, it's beautiful out here with the sun on the rocks. It's so nice. I think we've been climbing for what? 1 hour and a half maybe? Yeah. I previously said there are 600 meters under us. No, there are 800 now. 800 meters down on a vertical. Well, now it's not vertical, but you get it. You get me. Man. Yeah, so we just finished this one. It was really hard and exposed, and we got scared many times. Shut up. And I think you guys can see where the landslide happened. So just a part of that mountain fell down in that lake behind that dam, and all the water probably rushed like this. We got lucky with this lady. She took us with a car to get back to the parking lot. Yeah, and she also had a car like us. It was also a Fiat Ducato, but it was a small one. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you liked it, like, subscribe and comment, and follow us on Instagram, @Adrian_official, and tell me if you would fight this ferrata sometimes. Thanks everyone, and take care.